Hello, Miss Rozzy. So this is my video of constructing a candy cane, a challenge that I took from you after I show you the snowman, of course. So I understand that in parametric mode, T is the length of things. I don't know, can you see that? Ah, yeah, you can. And T is the length of the line. So with t equal 5 on an x-axis, it will be 1, 2, 5. It will go like this. But though in parametric there are two two axes, so 2D. So let's start out with the basic shape of a candy cane, which is we all have this stereotype that it looks like this. Though a candy cane can also look like this, or like this. Basically everything, because a cane is something we would do. Never mind. So though this function, I don't like it because it just gave me too much of a slope. And then for this part, it have to be like this, which right here is failed the vertical what is that called? Vertical line test or something. Yeah. So to change that, I would have to position it upward. I just figured that out before I do this explanation for you to show that I kind of figured it out. So this way, each and every point will be a function. It would not fail the vertical line test. Okay. Okay, let's grab it off. So for a candy cane, we should have three components. So this is the body, the top, and the end point, just to end the shape. So let's start this I don't know, I call this part 1 because I don't know when is my stupid phone is gonna run out of storage. So this gotta be part 1, which we consider the body. So I want the body to look like this on 2 dimension, which means that it's have to start at this line, and then at x should not move because you want it to be straight, not diagonal away. So for this, I would say t equal, let's say t equal to like 5 or 6, because I want this to be decently long, not length long. So it's gotta be 5 or 6. Well, t is just a unit in this mode, so it's just kind of basically like this. So what you want is x1 should not moving. So let's start this at 2, and then y1 should be moving, though you want it to have the specific length of the t, so y1 should be t. And for the same thing, you want the exact measurement for the other part, so which is this part. So you want x to increase 1 unit in order to like space it out a little bit, so I call it x equal 3. And then y2 should also have the same measurement. So let's plug it in. Hold on. Let me find my calculator. Where's my calculator? Okay. Hey. Okay, so this is what I have. Let's focus. There we are. So I want this candy cane to have a holiday color, so I call it red, because white should not be a color on this thing because it's kind of dumb. Let's choose the line kind of big. So we want the x1 to be 2. This one should be t. Similar to that, the other one is 2. This one is 3. And we want to adjust our windows to t max is 5. 0, 10, I call that reasonable. Okay, that look reasonable. Boom, boom. This is weird. I don't want this to be like this. So y1 should start from 1, which means have an intercept at y is equal to 1. So plus 1, I guess. So plus 1. I'll change the color of this too. Blue is not candy cane color. And boom, bap bap. Okay, now we have the base. That's look weird. Square. There we go. That's weird. Okay. So I hope that my phone not cutting me off. And let's go. Focus, 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 focus. There it is. Okay. So we're done with the basic, and now is the hardest part though is this part, cause it's stupid hard. So since now we have this part, we want to find the exact x point to create a curve like this. So I would say a curve like that is similar to a curve of a parabola, a negative parabola. So something with like negative x squared, but then in this case is t squared. So I don't know, you get to that. Let's get to that. So with t squared, though you want the vertex and the segment, which is this part, it have to be symmetry. So I want this segment to be like 2, or no, 2 is just too much. Let's say 1, so segment is equal to 1. So the function can start at, I assume that around here, and then just have the x coordinate. So it's gonna go like this. This is this. Okay, we can just play around with it. Kind of took a while or 2, 3 videos to figure it out. So let's start like this. Interesting. And we want the length of this equal to t equal 4. How the hell is t equal 4 equal to this? Well, we can start at the same y coordinate. Since t equal 5 and we start at 1, this point should be 6. And it should end with 6. Though I want it a little bit like, I want it around 1 unit high. So around 1 unit high. So this have to be x squared with the slope of like 1. Interesting.